Hi, this is Fred with Quality One Engravers, and I'm going to show you how to put tick marks on a plate. First thing I'm going to do is go to Layout, Plate Size. And of course, when you open a job, it's going to come up with a size. I'm going to make it 4, Tab key 2, and say OK. And F6 to zoom out. Not sure what is shown there. But anyways, what I'm going to do is type some text in. And type in text. Click away. With it selected, I'm going to hold the Alt key down and hit the Home, which centers it vertically on the tag, and the End key, which centers it. Now, with it selected, I have the ability to go into badges, and this is the icon for it. There's several letter A's kind of in a row here. And what I want to do is underneath here, usually you're going to want this single line and type 1 and use plate, and then the custom plate, this is a 2" by 4", and have all your margins be 0 and horizontal and vertical spacing at 0, and then just click on OK. Now I'm going to hit F6 to zoom out, and you can see what's developed here is these are the tick marks. Now what you can do is you can group this. Now remember, on my system, typically only what's available to be engraved will engrave. So let me just hit Control Z to take it back over here. And of course I can make a larger plate size, but let's go back one more level. Control Z, select the text, go to badges, and I'm going to experiment with something here. Plate size is 2 by 4, and maybe I'm going to put a top margin of 0.25, tab 0.25, tab 0.25, and click on OK. Tag is too small, so let's make this has got to be 2.5 by 4.5, since I added a ½ inch around it, and click on OK. Let's just see what it looks like. So this worked a little bit better. Now if I draw a box here, and my screen goes a little bit slow when I run this Camtasia program. If I draw my box, again, if I draw my box, and if I make that 4 inches up here and 2 inches there, and I click away, and then I know I can again click on this, Alt, Home, and End, and that will center it. And basically that's your plate size and your tick marks made. Now just to go over that just for one moment, I'm going to go Control Z, Control Z, Control Z to take it back to my original plate that's 2 by 4. Again, select the text or any object, go to badges, and this is what you're going to see. You're going to see your custom plate size. It could be a little bit bigger than this. If it is, it's going to make multiples of whatever part you have. So I put in 0.25 just so I had enough room to see the score marks and cut. And then of course just hit OK. And that's what you'll end up with. Hope this helps.